But it's that part of the day where we get an insight into what's going on into dealing room. Nimesh joins us to tell us exactly that. Nimesh, on D-Street Chatter, what are you picking up this time around?
Well,
buy on dips has played out yet again.
I'm not too sure on buy on dips, but given the fact that there are so many weak global cues, still we've done better. Yes. That speaks for the kind of momentum which is there for the markets. And even in today's trade, the broader markets are relatively outperforming. That's where the action seems to be. So the theme of mid cap, small cap, they're doing good continues. From a broader market point of view, again for the last many days, the feedback is 19,550 seems to be acting as a very strong resistance on the upside. If that gets taken out swiftly, then you'll see a big rally, in the days and months to come. So that's the overall feedback. In terms of flows, again, a mixed day of trade. The volumes are on the higher side. So there is larger participation, unlike yesterday, despite not much blocks happening. So the volumes are definitely going to be higher in today's trade. I guess from a sector point of view, a bit of profit booking for second running in the metal names. But I guess pharma, there are a couple of IT names that continue to bid well, and that's where the action seems to be. So net, despite weak global cues, we are faring better, and the momentum in broader markets continue.
Well, Nimesh, as we speak, 19,610. That's the kind of recovery that we have seen. And the Nifty Bank, we made this point earlier today, that the Nifty Bank is off form, but in the last 60 minutes, it could make that move, and it's up 200 points from the day's low. So that's the one that's underperforming, but at least recovered some of its losses. Individual stocks, though, that's where the game is at, right?
A lot of action, Nigel. A lot of stocks, a lot of blocks are happening, and a lot of blocks are expected to happen as well. So the first stock on my list today is JM Financial. After a block of nearly 1.5% equity changing hands, a big move in that stock. It's up 6% as well. And I believe in terms of the buyer, I guess domestic mutual fund was a buyer in today's block deal, so the disclosures could be interesting as far as JM Financial is concerned. The second stock is Dreamflux. Even in there, the stock has moved higher after a large block deal. I think there was a clean out trade, nearly 2.5% equity got changed hands. And I believe in terms of a seller, a large long only fund was a seller in today's block. So likely a clean out trade from that particular entity, and some domestic mutual funds were buyer there as well. So that's second one. The third stock is RHI Magnesita. Now this is going to be interesting. The stock is consolidating off late, has moved up, but again, there the indication is there could be a large block coming soon in this particular stock, and maybe the strategic investor is going to be a likely seller in this particular company. So that's something to try going forward. And the last one is Voltam Transformers. Big mover in the mid cap and small cap space. It's been a huge wealth creator as well. But now I'm told there could be a very large block deal in Voltam Transform as well. Just a word on this particular company. If you look at the shareholding pattern, the promoter owns 50%, the mutual funds own 25%, and the FI is on close to 13%. So the float is very less, just 13-14%. But here there is an expectation of a very large block deal coming very soon.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Another stock is Geo.